Mwen mette confiance mwen nan ou.
I put my trust in you.
Mwen mette confiance mwen nan ou.
I lose control.
Mwen perdi contrôle.
I lose control.
Mwen perdi contrôle.
I win, you lose.
Mwen genyen ou perdi.
I win, you lose.
Mwen genyen ou perdi.
I try to eat.
Mwen eseye manje.
I try to eat.
Mwen eseye manje.
I send you a message on WhatsApp.
Mwen voye yon mesaj pou ou sou WhatsApp.
I send you a message on WhatsApp.
Mwen voye yon mesaj pou ou sou WhatsApp.
I fall in love.
Mwen tombe d'amou.
I fall in love.
Mwen tombe d'amou.
I come late today.
Mwen vini an reta jodi ya.
I come late today.
Mwen vini an reta jodi ya.
I am so sorry.
Mwen regret an pil.
I am so sorry.
Mwen regret an pil.
I stopped smoking.
Mwen sispan fime.
I stopped smoking.
Mwen sispan fime.
I write you on WhatsApp.
Mwen ekri ou sou WhatsApp.
I write you on WhatsApp.
Mwen ekri ou sou WhatsApp.
I live alone.
Mwen viv pou kont mwen.
I live alone.
Mwen viv pou kont mwen.
I read a book.
Mwen li yon liv.
I read a book.
Mwen li yon liv.
I will keep you.
Mwen pral kenbe ou.
I will keep you.
Mwen pral kenbe ou.
I must go.
Mwen doye ale.
I must go.
Mwen doye ale.
I run away.
Mwen kouri ale.
I run away.
Mwen kouri ale.
I understand you.
Mwen kompran nou.
I understand you.
Mwen kompran nou.
I meet my friends.
Mwen renkontre zanmim yo.
I meet my friends.
Mwen renkontre zanmim yo.
I turn to you.
Mwen toune vin jwen nou.
I turn to you.
Mwen toune vin jwen nou.
I take the train.
Mwen pran tren.
I take the train.
Mwen pran tren.
I show you already.
Mwen montre ou deja.
I show you already.
Mwen montre ou deja.
I pray for you.
Mwen priye pou ou.
I pray for you.
Mwen priye pou ou.
I will watch TV.
Mwen pral gade televizyon.
I will watch TV.
Mwen pral gade televizyon.
I buy for you.
Mwen achete pou ou.
I buy for you.
Mwen achete pou ou.
I sell clothes.
Mwen van rad.
I sell clothes.
Mwen van rad.
I count on you.
Mwen konte sou ou.
I count on you.
Mwen konte sou ou.